Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Out here puttering on the Jeep a little bit today. And I was putting in some headlights. Wanted to see if you guys could see it on camera. Which one's brighter? You know, this one over here is a normal headlight. Halogen Sylvania. That one's a Sylvania Silver Star. And it seems to be, to me, it's like whiter and brighter. I don't know if y'all can see any difference. But that's what I've been doing. I'm just fiddling around. I did adjust the TPS sensor. I got those lights ordered, waiting on them. They're supposed to be here this week. Not the lights, just the lens. This lens. And $10. So yeah, I just bought one for each side. But I was adjusting the TPS right there. And to do that, you got to loosen up this bolt here and then the one under it. And there's a page you can use online, but the problem I was having is the bolt holes, excuse me about the shaky cam, the bolt holes were all screwy, you know, stripped out. So that's what was causing a little bit of the roughy. And so because the sensor just kept moving around. So I took me a tap, a little socket from like a Mastercraft or something, little cheapo, and welded them up so that I could get in there, and because you can't get to the bottom one, way down in there, you can't get to it. So I cleared all this out, and I used a little ratchet and that tap, and it was a no problem thing. Worked perfectly. We got all the vacuum leaks taken care of. Perfect. I did get the aluminum radiator in. Not in the truck, but I got it in stock now. It came in the mail, so delivered. So all I got to do is get that put in there. That's going to be a little while away though, because it's been too cold out here. And I'm not real interested in getting any colder than I have to. And the radiator does not leak, so it's fine. For now, it's fine. I'm going to make it to where it doesn't get... Got to get rid of that. I don't like it. And it's no problem to put it in. I mean, all this is the same. You know, it's just instead of this, there'll be a radiator cap over yonder. And this can go away. And then all you got to do, that I've seen a lot of guys online do that retrofit for this. It's just a 91, 92 radiator. This is a 90. It's just 1 year newer, basically. This hose right here that goes up to the tank, you can either buy a whole new hose or you can cut it off. Excuse me, you can cut it off right here and plug it. That's all you got to do. I mean, you don't have to re-plumb everything. And your heater will work just the same as it did. You're just gonna be running this hose through the radiator, and you're gonna be running without that one. That's all it is. And without that one, just get rid of those two. Plug those two off. You don't need them. That's about all it is. All right. That's what I'm doing today, messing around with the old Jeep. She's running good. We've been driving it. Haven't got to the mirrors yet either. Those are junk. Alright, we're getting them, just messing around. Take it easy, guys. Just doing a little fiddling today. Take it easy. Love y'all. Bye-bye.